In the last video, I showed you guys how to use Amazon's very own data to show you guys whether or not a product is actually in demand and whether or not people are actually looking for these products. In this video, I want to show you guys how to use Alibaba's platform to do just that, to take out the guesswork and find products that are in demand and that people are actually buying. Let's go. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel and this is your first time watching, welcome to the fam. I'm happy to have you. Hopefully this content helps you guys out, and hopefully you guys find some golden nuggets within these videos. If you guys are just tuning into this series, I'm creating a product research series to show you guys how I personally find products that I personally source and sell on the Amazon FBA platform under my brands. So if you guys find this video helpful, definitely be sure to drop a like and subscribe to future content. This series is going to be longer than I had expected because there's so many ways to find potential products, and there's not just one or two ways. A lot of people nowadays are just using product softwares, which is amazing and sometimes something that I still use and something that I used in the first two videos of the not Helium 10, but yes, I did use Helium 10, but of the product research series. So definitely go check that out after this video. But if you guys didn't check the last video, I basically went through and used Amazon's very own data to use to find products that I felt and products that Amazon also systematically and algorithmically generated for us to determine whether or not certain products are in demand. So in this video, we're going to use the same method, but as you can see, using the Alibaba platform. And if you guys don't know what Alibaba is, it is basically, in the most common way that I use to describe Alibaba, it is the Amazon of China for manufacturers. So how it usually goes is you'll go onto Amazon FBA. You'll go onto Amazon.com, not Amazon FBA. You go onto Amazon.com, find any potential products that your product research has taken you to, and then you would go to Alibaba to find manufacturers for that specific product. It is such a large website full of manufacturers from all around the world. So a lot of times people just think that Alibaba is centered around manufacturers in China, and no, that is not true. You can actually set filters once you do a search for manufacturers in India, manufacturers in Vietnam and the Philippines, and the list goes on and on. So if you guys don't know what Alibaba is, definitely check it out. But I'm going to show you guys how to use Alibaba's specific systematically and algorithmically generated terms to determine whether or not certain products are in demand and what products are people actually looking for on the Alibaba platform. And again, I'm still going through the allergy season, so if it's hard to hear me, if my voice sounds super raspy and it's super hard to hear, I apologize, but I didn't want to skip out on these videos because I did promise 2 videos a week, so I definitely want to get those out to you guys. So how do I do what I want to show you to do, show you how to do? So basically, you can search, say you're interested in a certain niche. We'll go back to the soccer trend. So say you're interested in selling, a sports product, you have a sports brand, you're focusing on soccer. You can go ahead and type in soccer. And as you can see, Alibaba will automatically generate a list of commonly searched terms, and you can be guaranteed and rest assured that these are terms that most people are looking for when they first type in soccer. So soccer ball is the most searched, soccer jersey, soccer shoes, uniform, jersey set, boots, socks, wear, jersey high quality, jerseys, football, t-shirts. So this is what most people are looking for, and this is what Alibaba has deemed as the most common searched items on the Alibaba platform, and you can bet that most people are buying these. So you can be sure that there is a demand for these specific products. Now, as mentioned in the previous video, in the previous product research video, all you need to do is type in single letters after that main keyword phrase. So in the last video, we used, women's shirts, and then we typed in a single letter, and another list of items that are commonly searched came up and was generated by the actual website. So here we'll use Alibaba's, and we'll type in soccer, and we'll start with soccer Q. Okay, there's nothing for Q. So you type in soccer W, and then all of a sudden you see a new list of items that pop up. And these are items that, these are phrases that people are actually typing in to search on the on the Alibaba, on the Alibaba platform. So soccer wear custom, soccer wear football jersey, soccer wall, warm-up suits, wear World Cup, full sleeve. And you can just keep doing this. Soccer E, soccer equipment, embroidery patch, equipment uniform, eraser, equipment bag, emblem, label pin, lapel pin, label. Soccer R, referee jersey, rebounder, robot, rugs, retro jersey, rebounder, net, goal, referee. And you just keep going. Soccer table, tracksuit, trainer, turf, trophy cup. Soccer, and there's nothing for Y. Uniforms for U. I, insoles, inflatables, inflatable field, indoor play, iPhone cases, indoor. Yeah, the list goes on and on, guys. There's 26 letters. Just keep testing it. And another thing that you can do is go for longer tail keywords. So if you wanted to type in, soccer ball, and then you typed in soccer ball W, soccer ball wall mount, soccer ball with rope, soccer ball World Cup, soccer ball equipment storage, soccer ball size, you guys get it. So you guys can go deeper and deeper into longer tail keywords to find out what people are searching for on Alibaba. And then you can go check that with the Amazon FBA platform or Amazon platform and see how the demand is, where the demand is, how competitive it is. And that's how you will eventually find your potential products. It's not just using Helium 10's platform or Jungle Scout software, although I still use Helium 10 and Jungle Scout very often to do all the above. They're great tools. If you guys need discount codes to those, they're definitely in the description below. But you can just use Amazon's and Alibaba's direct website data to find what people are actually searching for, and to give you ideas of further going down the rabbit hole and finding any potential products. And a good way, say we're looking up soccer balls. Just a quick tip while you guys are here on the Alibaba platform, a quick tip to kind of contact these suppliers. You could basically search under products, and one thing that I like to do is change, if this will cooperate with me, but change this product to suppliers, hit that search button. This is a good way to save time and money on finding verified suppliers. You would basically tick the trade assurance box and tick the verified supplier, and this would give you a direct filtered list of, direct manufacturers and suppliers that aren't usually trading companies for you to contact. So you don't have to deal with a lot of the trading companies. You can be rest assured that a lot of these suppliers here are actually producing soccer balls and not just selling soccer balls. So that gives you usually a really good deal, especially initially, on whatever you're sourcing. So hopefully that helped you guys out. Using the actual website's data is one of the most beneficial things that you could do, instead of guessing for whether or not certain products are in demand. As you can see on these websites, these are terms and phrases that are systematically generated because people are actually searching these items. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Drop a like if you guys found that helpful. If you guys are interested in the free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is drop a like for this video, comment down below, hashtag Prestige Amazon FBA, and be sure to just subscribe to the channel because you guys want more videos. So definitely stay tuned. If you guys haven't already gotten the Prestige Amazon FBA cheat sheet, please be sure to go do so in the first link in the description. And if you guys haven't checked out the Facebook group, all you need to do is also check that out in the description, or you can type in Prestige Amazon FBA Masterminds on Facebook. And if you guys want more daily content, I post daily on my Instagram. You can find that by going to Instagram and searching the official Andy Lamb, or again, also in the description box below. But as always, I thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.